Hi everyone, I'm Phil Saris and welcome to Sakrete's How to Tackle. On today's How to Tackle project, we're going to be tackling this old concrete patio behind me, and we're going to be using a product called Sakrete Flo-Coat Concrete Resurfacer. Now I love this product. It allows you to bring back to life any concrete section that just is kind of tired and doesn't look that good, and it doesn't cost a whole lot of money. So rather than replacing the concrete, you can apply this resurfacing product. It allows you to put up to a ½ an inch thick of overlay onto that concrete, all the way down to a feather edge. And you might be thinking, there's no way you can get a nice feather edge on it, but I'm going to show you exactly how that's done. To get started with this project, you're going to need to start by mixing the product correctly. So you're going to start with 3½ quarts of water added to an empty 5-gallon bucket. To that, you're going to be adding a 40-pound bag of your FloCoat concrete resurfacing product. Now here's the cool thing. Sakrete offers a wide variety of different colors that you can add in, so you can almost create any color that you want. In our case, we're going to go with the basic product in the gray color, but we're going to show you step by step how that application takes place. After you've mixed the product using your paddle mixer, you're going to want to begin spreading the product. Now you got to work kind of fast because this product does dry quickly. So using a squeegee, you're going to begin by bringing the product back towards you and working it in with the squeegee. Now because it's a feather edge, that edge will dry quickly. When you mix another batch of the product, you're going to want to apply it to the wet edge of the product. If you wait until that dries, the possibility of seeing a faint line when it's all done, that might be visible to you, and that's probably something you don't want. So try to work quickly, and it helps if you have a helper that can work in the background mixing the product for you, and one person will work by applying it. When we're done, we're going to be applying a broom finish, just like you would with concrete. You want to make sure you use a soft bristle broom pulling in one direction. This is Phil, and this has been Sakrete's How to Tackle Flo-Coat Concrete Resurfacer. Consider this project tackled.